This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Kusevitsky. Perfect family home in the premier neighborhood of Pine Ridge. 4 bedrooms / 2.5 bath pool home on water offers a spacious open floor plan. Remodeled gourmet kitchen, granite countertops, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances and cooking island. Master bedroom has a full-size walk-in closet. Features bathrooms that have been remodeled. Fenced yard. Accordion hurricane shutters. Skylights make the home light and bright. Screened pool and amp, patio with outdoor shower, covered entertaining space, large yard with serene water view. Circular driveway, beautiful landscaping, brick exterior. Near parks, great schools, close to shopping and major highways. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Kusevitsky at 954-914-5228.